So this is the 4.4 homework number 1, and I'm going to be doing a few problems from it. So let's start with question number 3. We're taking the definite integral from -1 to 4 of x squared plus 2x minus 1. So to do this, we have to take the antiderivative of each term. We can do this separately. So x squared, the antiderivative of that, you add 1 to the exponent, so that's x to the third, and then we divide by the exponent. So that's x to the third over 3. The second term's 2x, add 1 to the exponent, that's 2x squared, divide by 2, that's x squared. And then -1, add 1 to the exponent, that's x, and then divide by 1, that's negative x. And this is from -1 to 4. So now we can just plug in. So we have 4 to the third over 3 plus 4 squared minus 4. And from this we subtract -1 to the third over 3 plus -1 squared minus -1. And then once we do that, we can see that our answer is 95 over 3. And that is the answer to the first question. So I'm also going to do question number 6. Okay, so for this one, we're taking the definite integral from -2 to -1 of x minus 1 over x squared. So I already see an x squared on the bottom of a fraction, so it's going to be helpful to move that to the top. So we can do x minus x to the -2 dx. Okay, so now we can take the antiderivative of each term. So the antiderivative of x is add 1 to the exponent, that's x squared over 2. And then we could do the same for the other term, add 1 to the exponent of x to the -2, that's x to the -1, and then we can divide. And then we get 1 over x. And this is from -2, sub -1. So now we can just substitute. So we have, we have -1 squared over 2 plus 1 over -1. And then from this, we subtract -2 squared over 2 plus 1 over -2. And we're ready to get our final answer of -2. So yeah, I hope that helped you get a feel for the rest of the worksheet.